What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are zoomed in. Yes, we were. How's it going? I'm saying good morning because it's morning for me, but you know, it might be evening for you guys. Today, from the title of the video, we're doing quick release because the car is low. We're gonna need something to hold that bumper in place. Let the vlog begin. Like, I can care less about. Good Lord. Say hello to Beamer, y'all. No, yeah, mister. Alright, so basically, we have these. We're going to be putting them here and here. I want to put it right here, but I don't know if it's going to look good if I do it that way. And it's literally at the very end of the fender, so kind of iffy on that. It's going to probably look better, like boom, boom, or boom, boom. I just kind of iffy on it, but I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. So first, you're gonna want to get your quick release kit. You can buy them online. I got mine to match my wheels. They're literally like on point, the same gold, which is awesome. And then you are going to need some painter's tape. You're gonna have to tape your fender and your bumper up, and you're also gonna need a 1/4 inch screw bit, a bit right there, because you're gonna have to screw through your fender and everything. It's going to probably be the cringiest part of this whole thing, but so yeah, I can see it right there. That's one right here. My dad's gonna be helping me with this today because these are all his tools. I don't got this, so running into my bumper today. I'm super excited. And my fender. Yeah, look at that fit, man. Sheesh. Boys, I'm actually thinking about doing some camber. I'm gonna camber it out. We're gonna do a fender to lip process, so stay tuned for that. I just gotta grab some spacers. Yeah, let's get into it.
I always figured a policeman wasn't really a human being.
Alright, so we got one side done. It was a bit of a fight, but we got it. We're gonna do the other side before we put it all together. I just got the hood up for now while we start prepping for the other side, but it's looking good so far. That looks so good. It goes well with the wheels too. Sheesh. My battery's about to die on this, so I just want to show you guys this beforehand. The white light's kind of not helping, but we're in there. We good now. Now it's gonna help hold the bumper in place. I ain't gotta worry about this thing falling off when it catches or anything like that anymore. And it goes well with the wheels. Tell me what y'all think in the comments down below, and we'll pick up in a second. Alright, so let me just explain a little something real quick. This is just gonna wrap up the video after I explain this or whatever. So basically, you guys saw how I just did all that like 2-3 minutes ago, whatever, right? I made a TikTok of it as well because I'm trying to make sure that I'm branching out on all social medias, and I'll show you the video here real quick. So yeah, I posted it, and that was literally my first ever TikTok to blow up. It is currently sitting at over 300,000 views, if I'm correct, almost 10,000 likes, and a huge amount of comments. A lot of people like to have their own opinions about things, which is, you know, you're entitled to, as a human, to have your own opinions about stuff. You can do whatever you want, you know, I don't care, you know. At the end of the day, I'm not losing any sleep for it. But what I hate most is if the car isn't up to someone else's standards, which goes back to it being about it being their opinion. If the car isn't up to someone's standards, then it's trash. You know, it's not the best looking car. I didn't take anything personal. I don't really care when people, you know, have something negative to say about me. Honestly, this is just a reminder, not even a reminder, but just a acknowledgement that you're not the only one in the world who probably goes through hate or deals with this kind of stuff, you know. I'm just one guy, just like everybody else in this world, but you know, people are gonna have their opinions. It is what it is. By the way, a couple of people actually follow me from TikTok, so if you're watching this and you're a subscriber from TikTok, I think I got like 3 or 4 subscribers. What's good? Welcome to the channel. I appreciate y'all for being here. It means a lot. So for now, I'll see you guys when we get to the Beamer, and then we will, yeah, so, alright, so here's the Beamer. It's been about, it's been a few weeks since I did them, like put them in. They look great. They match the wheels perfectly. My wheels are dirty right now, so but they match them literally on par, and that's one of the things that I love. That was one of the things I envisioned, was to get the gold to match the wheels. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm doing black and gold for the whole setup. Tell me what you guys think. The bands have been holding up really well too. People on TikTok said to buy some new ones because eventually these go bad, so I already ordered like a bulk of these so I got a bunch of them to come, but everything else has been sitting well. The car itself is just sheesh. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. To those who actually love the build and actually support me in working on this car, it means more than anything to me, like seriously. And we're gonna wrap this up because I'm talking too much, but I will catch you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe if you're brand new, and yeah, it's your boy Champ Vlogs. We out.